हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अगर आपने हमारे चैनल हानू किड्स को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और साथ ही लगे बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाइए ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक जरूर पहुंचे।
Pink versus Black costume party! Oh, it's their birthday! They will come soon for inviting us. Oh, I knew that! I already picked my dress for the party! Johnny, which one is good? This or this one? Huh? Pink? No, black is better! Then I'll go for this one. Pink is better. No, black is the best. Oh, let's see. Aha! I look so pretty in pink. I'll show you. Black is better. Let's do the makeup. Oh, this is nice. A little more. All good. Oh, you scared me. See, I told you black is better. Everyone likes black. No, you're wrong. Pink is perfect. I'm sure they like black just like me. I've made pink macarons for them because they like pink. No way! They like black cupcakes. I know Helena likes pink. Yeah, but Henry likes black. Okay then, I'll pack cupcakes for him. So I'll pack macarons for her. What now? The gift! Helena would love this pink one. Henry is a cat lover. He will like this black cat. They like pink toys. No, they like black toys. Hey guys, are you ready? Let's go for the party. Oh, they're here. Yeah, we're ready. Come inside. Uh-oh, the colors. Oh, Dolly, we both are in pink. Did you know that I love pink? Yeah, I knew that. Happy birthday, Henry. Oh, here's your gift. Aw, it's so cute. I like it. Hey, Johnny, you didn't tell me you also like black. Huh? I know you love black. Look, this is for you. Happy birthday. Aw, I like this guy. Here, one more gift.